How to make a TikTok video with pictures and music. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Then, go to the Photos section as shown. Select as many photos as you want, and then tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can swipe to view the pictures you selected. Now, go to the top and tap on Add Sound. Here, you can view and explore all the available sounds on TikTok. Select a sound of your choice from here. You have now successfully added this sound to the video. Then edit them as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Then tap on Next. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok video with pictures and music.